Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to enable fingerprint lock on Terabox Vault, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable the fingerprint lock on Terabox Vault, first open up your Terabox app on your phone. And after opening your Terabox app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the personal vault option available for us. Just above the recycling bin, tap on personal vault, and to land over here again we'll be required to tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner, and this drop down menu will appear. We'll be required to tap on the settings option over here just above the lock up. Now tap on settings, and you land over here where you can see the second option that says fingerprint unlock. Now in order to enable the fingerprint lock on Terabox Vault, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the fingerprint unlock, and you'll be required to verify your fingerprint or your passcode on your phone. With that being done guys, your fingerprint lock on Terabox Vault will be enabled or turned on. And with that being said guys, this is how to enable fingerprint lock on Terabox Vault. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.